Hi, my name is Sarah Patterson, and this is my slide design project. For this project, I chose The North Face and this ad from them, Never Stop Exploring. And this ad is all about promoting outdoor gear, endurance, and adrenaline. So we're first going to talk about the original ad. We're going to take a look at a few of the unique design elements that made this ad unique. And the first is its design. The first thing I noticed about this particular advertisement was that it's right aligned, bringing your center of attention to the climber here. And it's also right aligned similar to the logo and also the slogan down below. And it gives it an overall natural and simple feel. Next, we're going to talk about the typography. And we can see down below that there is a sans serif category, and this font is clean and clear. You can tell what the words say directly the first time you look at this advertisement, and it adds a confident feel to the advertisement, just this bold font that pops out at the customer, and that is also right aligned. Next, the color we're going to talk about. First thing that popped out to me was these naturally green mountains. So this is an outdoor gear company. Everything's you're going to be outside. So that's something that popped out to me. And it also just has a really strong contrast with the logo that they used. And then like green and red are also complementary colors. And then next I'm going to introduce the new ad that I created that goes along with the campaign of the original ad. So let's take a look. Some of the consistencies between the two include a contrast of the cool and warm colors, as well as the same bright red logo that was used in the original ad. And it overall gives a consistent, natural feel similar to what I described in the original ad. Next, some more consistencies include the same font and spacing, and it's also in all capitalized letters, creating that bold statement and confidence like all these climbers and hikers have to get to the top of the mountain. The image is also right aligned, similar to the original ad, giving your center of focus to the individual in the image. The logo is the exact same. And so that is the conclusion of my slide design project. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and were able to see the consistencies and similarities between the two advertisements. And I hope you have a great winter break. Thanks. Bye.